Check your garden at night. It might help you find certain bugs and certain other issues that you might not know exist. See if you can, if you see any little bugs, like you see that gnat there, but what if it wasn't a gnat? What if it was like a Japanese beetle, or who knows what other bug it could have been? Just take a gander. You'll kind of see the dew starting to form on the leaves. See, that's what you need. If you check it in the late evening, early night, just kind of go underneath, kind of do an underneath shot. Just kind of slowly inspect, because who knows what you'll find. You can sometimes see new things too, like that. The melon flower is opening up. It's a good chance to pick some of your fruit that's starting to split or whatever. And it's kind of also a therapeutic time. Just kind of looking, thinking, and I listen to the bugs and the crickets and whatnot. See, look at that earwig. If I actually had an earwig problem, that would be something to take care of. But I don't. I only got a few earwigs. Just kind of flick them. I'll probably put some earwig, Sluggo Plus that kills earwigs. Maybe I'll consider getting some of that. See, you're seeing some of my issues, because I haven't really done this too much. You can see it looks like the start of some powdery mildew. I will keep an eye on that. I'll probably just cut that leaf off in the morning. But just look around in the garden, take your time. And this is also when you want to foliar spray, if you're doing any sort of foliar spraying for bugs, like insecticides, natural pesticides and natural insecticides and so on. You'll want to do that at night or in the very early morning. So that's just, a nice quick tip video again. Something. See, there's another earwig I'll have to take care of. So I do have an earwig problem, but, see, just seeing my mistakes. Share yours down in the comments, what you've experienced. Go ahead and subscribe and like this video to see more like this. Something that other people really haven't talked about too much. But here I am doing that for you.